Lori Larkin, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. And if it's all right with you, my son would like to just come out and show you what he did at school at his Thanksgiving pageant. Would that be all right with you? All right then. Stuart! Stuart, come on! Stuart! Stuart, come on out here! Come here, Stuart! Come on, look at, Stop toddling. Oh, look at that. He's a turkey. Oh. Well, now, Stuart, where'd you get that Rice Krispie treat? Stuart, where'd you get that Rice Krispie treat?
I found it on the floor.
Oh. Stuart, this floor is filthy. Do you know who's been walking on this floor? Well, the show business people. What'd Mama say about the show business people?
I don't want to say.
Come on, what'd Mama say about the show business people? What did Mama say? Say it.
Show business people are dirty and they don't believe in God.
That's right. Now come on and show them what you did at the Thanksgiving pageant. Show them what you did.
Look what I can do.
Oh, that's cute, but that's not what you did at the pageant. Do the strut and the gobble gobble. Oh, come on. No, come on. Do it like we did. Do it like you showed me. Come on. Stop toddling. Shake the tail feathers. Come on, these good people. Stuart, you got it. These people came here to see. These people came. They want to see you do your little turkey show, Stuart. That's what from the pageant. Now let's show them what you can do with it. Still, you either do that or you're not going to get an autograph from Phil Lamar.
Gobble, gobble.
Well, he's very talented, isn't he? That's real good. Now, you kids, you go ahead and you watch that Mad TV. But, Stuart, we got to go marching on to bed now. Come on, it's late. Night, time, go, time.